Yes, man. Veteran there. Said we in my office. Unto the Lord give thanks, my people, Give thanks each and every single minute of the day. And of all times. Give thanks unto God. Give thanks. Bless up all over the world, Father God. Bless up. Veteran TV in my office. Right now, for your dad's letter one in my office, you have to be super special. So right now, they are them more than super special. Seeing they are them in my office, daddy. Chat about. We in our office and mad people. Yell up, daddy. First one say, Port Antonio, my place. And anywhere in the world, there. Could have Egypt, there. Veteran TB say, big up. Yeah, man. Then big up your fat thing, daddy. You see me? Watch this now, no fambo. Then you don't know. Watch I don't know. Between me and the eye them now. See? Between me and the eye them. Calling all road boy right now. All gangster. All stepper in the road. All top man. All Jenna. You name the style them and the name them. Calling all of them now. Tell them say the head one there for all of them there. Tell them say veteran there. From Veteran TV out. We have a reasoning. So call in every gangster right now and tell